Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Apple keyboard is powered and has charge so it can advertise. Once done, open Windows 10 Settings Devices Bluetooth and other devices and turn Bluetooth on. You should also temporarily disable or unpair other nearby Bluetooth devices. This reduces collisions and speeds discovery. This ensures Windows can immediately see the keyboard when it enters pairing mode, so you won't waste time hunting for a device that never appears. Now put the Apple keyboard into pairing mode by holding its power button until the LED blinks. Next, in Windows, click Add Bluetooth or Other Device, choose Bluetooth, and select the Apple wireless keyboard entry when it appears. If Windows displays a numeric PIN, type that exact number on the Apple keyboard and press Enter. This verifies the link. Make sure to wait while Windows installs drivers. You'll get a connected message before you move on to usage or layout. After pairing, verify the keyboard by typing in Notepad and checking special keys. Remember Apple CMD maps to Windows key. If you need media or function key support, install Apple Boot Camp drivers for Windows. They provide proper mappings and drivers. If things go wrong, the most effective troubleshooting tip is to remove the device from Windows Bluetooth list, restart the Bluetooth service or PC, then reinitiate pairing. This clears stale connections and often resolves driver or discovery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.